Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. Today you will watch when bikers lose control, close calls with wild animals, close calls with crazy drivers, bikers versus police, crazy crashes and many more. Make sure to stick till the end and enjoy this one. Whatever the reason was to cause the rage of these drivers, certainly wasn't just. Knocking someone over, especially if they are on a bike, it can be really dangerous in any given moment.
You I feel it! Go! 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 Like this! With the motorbike!
That you almost kill her for a picture!
Careless driver decided just to go out and disregard the safety of this biker. If the speed was higher, the situation could have been a lot worse.
What are you doing? Come on!
Always keep your eyes wide open. This situation could have been much worse than this. This biker caught really one-of-a-kind situation. Check it out and give us your thoughts in comments below. Animals on the road are a hazard for everyone. This biker was lucky to evade this. This driver was playing with this biker's life. There really wasn't any point in blocking his way. Bikers are always faster, so let them through. Biker was on a racetrack and suddenly lost control over his bike. Be sure to always be geared up so it can help you avoid most of the injuries.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the...
Once again, crazy driver didn't even bother to wait for this biker to pass. Instead, he rushed out and biker had almost hit him. This pair of friends got pulled over by these officers who, from the conversation they had, seemed to have followed them for quite a while. Let's check it out.
My license? Did I do anything wrong? Huh? Yeah. No, I've got it with me. Dog, I think the guy got relaxed when he saw my camera. I stopped. You all you wanted, you, not me. I decided to stop because I wanted to record. Listen, yeah, I wasn't recording, nah. I'm looking straight. I see you there, nah, by the syrup, and I see you making a U-turn. I'm like, yes, wait. I did it, dog. I did it for your safety and mine. No, dog. So I decided to start recording. You know when?
Biker here decided to record the situation as soon as he spotted that his friend was speeding and police was just around the corner.
He was there where there is a crossing by Ocean Basket. The car was there. The ST was there. You were coming around me. I'm like, please, Alexi, don't speed. Yes, you fly past me. I'm like, yep. Then I look behind my my rear mirror. I see this guy now also flying past. I'm like, yeah, I knew it. That's when I started recording. I knew this was gonna happen.
I didn't even see them, bro.
Listen here, dog. I'm just riding. Nah, I wanted to go grab something to eat, and I wanna go buy a belt. That's it. That's all I was gonna do now, and then go home.
Now you got content.
Now I got content, bruh. And it's always because of you and you being naughty, man.
Naughty.
Like really, Alexi, typical Alexi. On a cruiser, he goes 200 on a cruiser.
I didn't see them, bro. Even when
Didn't you see? They were right behind you when you did.
bro, unless I've got a blind eye for police officers or what. Because they stopped me last night as well, bro.
Sometimes wheel of luck just isn't on your side and you get situations like this. They sorted everything with police and could have continued their day as they have planned. Bus driver cut in front of this biker. Check out his reaction.
Pas très poli le monsieur. C'est gentil d'avoir un peu de courtoisie. Passez une bonne journée.
Biker here skidded so badly into another vehicle. Yet he was by some miracle safe and sound, only shocked.
It's already recording. It's still recording.
Trying to change a lane from where it just isn't possible means you still need someone to take care of you. Don't endanger other people on the road. Some kids were vandalizing this area, and this kind biker was in a mood to do some heroing. This lady was incoming and could clearly see this biker. Whatever was going through her head almost caused an accident. Being kind is just what everyone should be doing, as this biker did just here. One round of applause for him.
The gas cap is open.
Biker was just driving through and everyone was aware of him. And then this happened.
You didn't have to cut me off.
In this one, some lady entered the roundabout wrong, and this biker almost crashed because of that. He then started following her and requesting an apology.
Me! You idiot! What the was that? I just wanted an apology. I just wanted an apology, that's all. Jesus, woman.
Hello there.
Jesus. You.
Thank you guys for watching yet another thrilling episode on Maxi Made. We try to show you only best of the best. If you liked what you saw, leave a like and comment us your thoughts about this episode. If you wish to stay up to date with our latest content, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. Until the next one, stay safe and ride safe.